This is the new Wenzel Shopfloor SF87. The coordinate measuring machine was developed for the production environment for measurement of small to medium-sized workpieces. A strategic choice of materials was made during product development. The accessibility to the measuring area from 3 sides is optimal for automated access by robots and can be adapted flexibly for more complex tasks with customer-specific requirements. The SF87 is easy to transport and only a standard electrical socket and no compressed air is required to connect the machine. It is therefore always available for flexible use in the production environment. The intelligent machine concept has been designed for optimum ergonomics and user-friendliness. With the modular combination options of powerful probe heads and optical sensors, the machine can be adapted to its respective tasks, which leads to considerable increases in efficiency in the measuring and testing area.